Good afternoon, children. It's day 3 and class 8. We are going to continue the topic up to which we have completed yesterday. The gathered blanket. Gathered means what? Torn, chirigipoina blanket. We are going to continue this one. Okay? And who are the members in our story? As we are going through a story, who are the members? Amma, Kamala, Gopi. Amma, Kamala and Gopi. So this Kamala and Gopi are daughter and son for this Amma. They didn't give the name for us. We are continuously throughout the lesson we are calling Amma. We won't call mother as it's a discussion. Vallu okalokal cheppukuntunnaru kada. It's like speaking to each other. Okalto okal maatladukuntunnattu. So we will not call its mother in the language. Okay? Here we will call Amma. So what? Kamala is a widow. As we discussed earlier, Kamala is a widow. And Gopi is her brother. Gopi is her brother and Amma's son. Now, what happened after yesterday? Just a recap. Okay? Just I will tell you in the 2 minutes. So, Gopi came as a trip, office trip in a car. And what he want to do, he just on the way, he came to Thiruvananthapuram, he want to see on the way, he want to see his mother. So he came to his village, means countryside. Manam ikkada village antamu, ade other side countryside antaru. Both are same with different words. The meaning is same, the words are different. So he came to the countryside, he met his mother. Then when he arrived at the gate in a car, so automatically if near our house also, if anybody came, we will hear the sound. No? If anybody came near the gate, we will hear the sound. Same way, this Amma also heard the sound. And where she is sitting in a veranda. Veranda ante mana inti mundu kaadistar mari untundi kada, portico antaru kada, that's called veranda. She is sitting there. And what she heard a car sound. And to whom she is telling? She is telling to Kamala. She is telling, Kamala, see who came there? Some sound, I heard some sound. Who came there? Amma is telling to Kamala. Kamala went near the gate and she saw Gopi. And she said, it's Gopi. Okay, Gopi came inside. And once again, already Kamala said to Amma that Gopi has arrived. And Gopi and Kamala are talking in middle. So Kamala is asking Gopi, enduku ala adugutundi Amma? Gopi is asking Kamala. Then Kamala is telling, you had not written a letter for so many years. She is speaking nowadays like this only. Peddallu ayipayaka adiginde adigam cheppinde cheppడం చేస్తూ ఉంటారు కదా. In nowadays also, in our houses also we are having grandma and grandpa. They also will ask. We will also tell the same thing. చెప్పిందే చెప్తూ ఉంటాం. ఒక అరగంట పోయాక మళ్ళీ అదే అడుగుతూ ఉంటారు. Because they have forgotten. మర్చిపోయి ఉంటారు. So what Kamala is telling to Gopi, you have not written a letter for so many years. So Amma is so unhappy with that. And what Amma is asking daily, Kamala, has Gopi written a letter? Daily she is asking. And what Kamala is telling, yes, he had written a letter. And they are very happy there. Gopi is living in Delhi. Yesterday we discussed where Gopi is living. He is living in Delhi and he is married to, what is his wife's name? Vimala. Don't get confused. Kamala and Vimala. There are two names with same sounding. Kamala is his sister and Vimala is his wife. And he is living in Delhi. Okay. Everybody came and they both brother and sister are talking to each other. Gopi is telling, I have got a promotion and I am in my foot. I kept my shoes and I am running here and there. There are so many tours nowadays. కాడల్లో చెప్పులేసుకుని తిరుగుతాం అని అంటూ ఉంటారు కదా పెద్దవాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో. అలాగే గోపి కూడా చెప్తున్నాడు. I am having so many tours nowadays. I am going here and there. So there is no time for me to write a letter. In those days, nowadays we are making simply a call. But in those days, making a phone call is not that much easy. The STD calls, ISD calls. Now means just we are recharging and everything we are telling in a phone. But in the olden days, the usage of phone is not Kamala is asking, okay, you are busy, you have got a promotion, you are going here and there, it's okay. What about Vimala? She is also busy. So she is also having no time to write a letter. The Kamala is asking to Gopi. Okay, these two brother and sister are discussing for this thing. Then in middle, again, Amma is asking to Kamala, who came there? With whom you are talking? I heard a noise near the gate. Who is there near the gate? Already Kamala said to Amma, ఎవరు వచ్చారు గేట్ దగ్గర ఏంటి అనేది మనకి లెసన్ స్టార్టింగ్ లోనే కమల చెప్పింది. బట్ అగైన్ అమ్మ ఇస్ ఆస్కింగ్ టు కమల. దెన్ కమల ఇస్ టెల్లింగ్, I said no already. It is Gopi who came to us. Then Gopi is sitting, kept his face near his mother. For old people, the face will be in a wrinkle manner. ముడతలు కింద ఉంటాయి కదా, చీక్ దగ్గర, ఫేస్ ఐస్ దగ్గర ముడతలు పడిపోయి ఉంటాయి. Wrinkles, we will call it as wrinkles. So what happened? Gopi went near his mother because Amma is again asking to Kamala. So what Gopi did? He went near his mother. He kept his face near his mother. He is a fat, bald-headed man. Here the writer is explaining, Kamala Das is explaining about the Gopi. Atanu ela unnadu anedi explain chestunnadu. He is a fat and bald-headed man. Okay. By seeing this Gopi very near, even though దగ్గరగా ముఖం పెట్టి చూపించినా కూడా she didn't recognize him because it's been a long time that Amma met Gopi. Gopi didn't write anything. It's been a long time. So they didn't met each other and Amma didn't recognize Gopi. He was very upset with that. Next, up to there we had discussed yesterday what had happened. Now we will continue with the story. What happened, how Gopi is feeling, how the Amma is, what the Amma is telling, and what the discussion between Kamala and Gopi. Who did Gopi marry? Amma said, suddenly lowering her voice. Lowering her voice means generally we will talk in a normal voice at our homes, but anybody came means we will reduce our voice and we will speak. ఎవరైనా మన ఇంటికి వచ్చారనుకోండి, మామూలుగా ఇంట్లో మాట్లాడుకుంటే అరుచుకుంటూ మాట్లాడుకోం కదా, చిన్నగా మాట్లాడుకుంటాం బాగా వినిపించకుండా. In the same way, Amma is asking to Kamala. Here, Amma is not talking to Gopi. Amma is asking Kamala. Gopi married whom? ఎవరిని పెళ్లి చేసుకున్నాడు? Whom did Gopi married? And I mean, what's his wife's name? Amma is asking Kamala, whom did Gopi marry? And what is his wife's name? Don't say you have forgotten her name too. So Kamala is telling to Amma that అలా మర్చిపోయినా మళ్ళీ చెప్పొద్దు. Don't say you have forgotten her name too. Don't you remember? Vimala, district collector, Nambiya's eldest daughter. Vimala is not district collector. Vimala's father is a district collector. Nambiya. Vimala's father name is Nambiya. Okay, he is a district collector. Vimala is the eldest daughter of district collector Nambiya. Gopi's sister said, who is Gopi's sister? Kamala is Gopi's sister. Who is Gopi's mother here? Amma. Who is Gopi's wife? Vimala. So Gopi is having three relations here. One is Amma, one is sister, and one is wife. And another relation also we discussed, that is Nambiya. Gopi's father-in-law, Mamagar. Father-in-law. Gopi is having four relations in our lesson. So we will continue further. Oh, I forgot the name. Was there a letter from Gopi today? There was. He writes every day. Again Amma is asking. This is third time. She already asked so many times up to now. And again, oh, I forgot. Ayone Machpen. And again she is asking, did any letter from Gopi today? Yes, he writes. I am terribly upset if I don't get a letter from him every day. Terribly అంటే చాలా if I didn't get a letter from Gopi, he knows it. That's why he writes every day. Amma is telling, taniki telusu nenu roju letter tana nunchi letter raakapothe chaala baadhapadatananu. That's why he writes a letter. Look at the way she talks. So Kamala is telling to Gopi now. Look at the way she talks. Gopi's sister turned to him. Just as I told you, you know nothing about what's going on here. Do you? Now Kamala is in a serious voice telling to Gopi, look, I told you before, no? She is forwarding the things. She is asking again and again the same thing. And now you only heard how she is asking again. How she is forwarding the things. Asli ikkada em jarugutundi ante neeku evana telusa? Do you know what is happening here? Do you? Neeku telusa? Kamala is asking to Gopi. It's me. Who is that? Amma said again. Who is that in a car? Again, while Kamala is telling these words to Gopi, again Amma is asking, who is that? Who is that in a car? Evaru? Car lo evaru vacharu? Then Gopi is telling, it's me. Gopi said, I had to come to Thiruvananthapuram. I thought I should drop in to see you, Amma. Who is your Amma? What is her name? Where does she live? Is it far from here? No, it's quite near. So Gopi is telling, it's me. I came to see you from Thiruvananthapuram. Where did Gopi come from? Thiruvananthapuram. Now, Amma is asking to Gopi, who is your mother? Do you know her name? Where she lives? Is it quite near or far? ఒక అమ్మ తన కొడుకుని ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ వేస్తుంది. అంటే గోపి వాళ్ళ అమ్మగారికి ఎంత దూరం అయిపోయి ఉంటాడు. How far he became that even a mother can't remember. He didn't write a letter for so many years. He didn't come to visit her. So what Kamala Das want to tell us in this story? Kamala Das manki em cheppalanukuntunnaru ee story dwara? How we are neglecting our family relations. Family ni మనం ఎలా నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. How we are diminishing the values. మనం ఎలా మర్చిపోతున్నాము అనే దాని గురించి కమలా దాస్ మనకి ఈ లెసన్ ద్వారా చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నారు. ఓకే, విల్ కంటిన్యూ విత్ ద లెసన్. సో నౌ గోపి అమ్మ is asking Gopi, who is your mother? What is her name? Do you know where she live? All these questions. I don't know how I can bring back her memory. Gopi is telling, I don't know how can I bring back her memory. Bring back, వెనక్కి తీసుకురావడం. How can I bring back her memory? Gopi's sister said to him expertly. Oh, what can we do like that? Gopi placed his briefcase on the tina. He opened it and pulled out the contents, clothes, files and shaving set. While Gopi is telling these words, how can I get back her memory and all, both brother and sister are talking to each other in the same way. మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నప్పుడే. Meanwhile, he kept his briefcase on the tina, ante gattu meeda. He kept it there. He opened the briefcase and took out the contents. What are the things are there in the briefcase? Content ante అందులో ఏమున్నాయో అవి. In the starting of the lesson also we will discuss now what are there in the unit. Same way, he took out his clothes, files and shaving set out of the briefcase and avi bayatiki teesi what he discussed, what he said to his sister and how he got back his memory. Did he get back to his memory or not? We will discuss in the next class.